Hello students, welcome to my channel E-Club. I am Mrs. Reena, a seasoned English language trainer. Whether you are looking to enhance your conversational skills, improve your business English, or prepare for an international exam, I am here to support you every step of the way. Together, let's embark on this exciting journey of language mastery and cultural exploration. Today, we are tackling a topic that often leaves the most seasoned wordsmiths scratching their heads. The subtle yet significant differences between commonly confused words. So, if you've ever found yourself pondering over the proper use of accept and accept, or if affect and effect have left you a bit perplexed, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll be dissecting words that might seem like twins, but couldn't be more different in meaning. We'll look at the words, their meanings, and discuss an example of each. The first set of words is accept and accept. Picture this. You've accepted a beautifully wrapped gift. Everyone attended the meeting except John. Accept means to receive willingly, while accept means excluding or leaving out. Another example of accept would be, they offered him the job and he accepted it. Another example of the usage of accept would be, they work every day except Sunday. Moving on, accident and incident. An accident is an unforeseen event, usually resulting in damage. For example, the car crash was a terrible accident. Incident means an event or an occurrence. An incident can be big or small, good or bad, intentional or unintentional. Example, there was a minor incident at the construction site. The next set of words is adapt versus adopt. Adapt means to adjust or modify to fit specific circumstances. Example, animals adapt to their environments over time. Adopt means to take up or use as one's own. Example, the family decided to adopt a rescue dog. Up next, affect versus effect. Affect means to influence or produce a change. Example, the news affected her deeply. Effect means a result or a consequence. Example, the new law had a positive effect on the community. The next set of words is alter versus alter. ALTAR versus ALTER. Altar means a raised structure used for religious ceremonies. Example, they exchanged vows at the wedding altar. And alter means to change or modify. Example, she decided to alter her dress for a better fit. Up next we have berth and berth. Berth with an E means a place to sleep on a ship or train. Example, they booked a comfortable berth for the overnight journey. BIRTH, birth with I, means the act or process of being born. Example, the baby's birth brought joy to the family. The next set of words is check and check. CHECK, check means to inspect or verify. Example, Please check your work before submitting it. CHEQUE means a written order to a bank to pay a specified sum. Example, he wrote a cheque to cover the expenses. The next word would be coarse and coarse. COARSE, coarse means rough in texture or composed of large particles. Example, the sandpaper had a coarse surface. And COURSE, coarse means a path or route. Also, a series of educational lessons. Example, she plotted a course on the map. The next set of words is compliment and compliment. Compliment with an I means a polite expression of praise or admiration. Example, he received a compliment on his excellent presentation. Another example is, all love to be complimented. Now, compliment with an E is something that completes or goes well with something. Example, the wine was a perfect complement to the meal. Second example is, Tom and Mary complement each other well when they work as a team. The next one would be eligible and illegible. Eligible means meeting the criteria to qualify for something. Example, students must be eligible based on their academic qualifications to participate in the scholarship exam. Illegible means not clear or readable. Example, the doctor's prescription was illegible, causing the pharmacist to seek clarification. The next set of words is fair and fair. FAIR, fair, means treating people equally without bias. Example, a fair decision considers all perspectives and is just and unbiased. FARE, fare, is the cost of transportation or the price of a ticket. Example, the taxi fare from the airport to the hotel was reasonable. The next set of words would be doze versus dose. DOSE, dose, means quantity of a medication. Example, the doctor prescribed a certain dose of medication to be taken twice a day. DOZE, doze, means to sleep lightly or take a nap. Example, after a long day of work, a quick nap can help you feel fresh. Please find the meanings of these words and try to use them in sentences of your own. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more engaging content. See you in the next video.